We are living in a world driven by technology, which is also advancing day by day. Technology has brought many changes into our lives, and it's become an integral part of our livelihood. Some things that we could not imagine have become realities because of the development of technology. As a dynamic industry, technology startups are keeping up with the changes by bringing new products and services to the market at rapid speed. Today in this video, we're going to talk about 5 tech startups that are changing the way we work for anyone fascinated with learning technology. Before getting deep into the topic, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and let's dive in. The first startup on our list is Zoom. As several in-person engagements have been shifted online due to the COVID pandemic, the popularity of the video sharing platform Zoom has exploded. Zoom is a video conferencing platform that changed the way we communicate, and this was developed by Zoom Video Communications. Zoom is a very user-friendly and trustworthy app which made work easier even during the crisis. It has high-quality video and audio capabilities which make your video conference a better one. Because of all these features, Zoom has become a very popular and go-to platform among employees and students. People can have a real feeling virtual conference with anyone around the world using Zoom, and this app can be used through mobile phones, laptops, smart TVs, etc. There are a few plans that people can use on Zoom, and a free plan allows up to 100 users to participate in a single meeting with a 40-minute time restriction. And you can also purchase the paid plan to get more facilities. When we dig into the history of the Zoom app, we find that the first version of this app allowed a very small number of participants, like 15, and was launched on August 21st, 2012, and then the company was able to develop this app to increase the number of participants for a single meeting. During the COVID-19 pandemic, this app went viral and has gained a huge number of users. The app has several security features to maintain the user's trustworthiness, such as password-protected meetings, user authentication, waiting rooms, locked meetings, disabling participant screen sharing, randomly generated IDs, and the ability for the host to remove disruptive attendees. Besides Zoom, there are other video conferencing platforms such as Microsoft Teams, GoToMeeting, Google Meeting, and many more. Zoom is one of the softwares that has changed the way we work and has also made our work very convenient. The second startup on our list is OpenAI. OpenAI is an American artificial intelligence research laboratory that has implemented many AI-related products around the world. OpenAI was founded in 2015, and behind this massive concept was so many masterminds, including the initial board members such as Ilya Sutskever, Greg Brockman, Trevor Blackwell, Vicky Chung, Andrei Karpathy, Dirk Kingma, John Shulman, Pamela Vagata, and Wojciech Zaremba, as well as Sam Altman and Elon Musk. When we're considering the product and applications of OpenAI, we have RoboSumo, OpenAI 5, Gym Retro, Debate Game, Dactyl, API, OpenAI Original GPT Model, GPT-2, GPT-3, Codex, Whisper, GPT-4, DALL-E 2, ChatGPT, and so on. Artificial intelligence is one of the most important technological innovations found by human beings, and OpenAI will be a great turning point for sure. Sometimes OpenAI can do some stuff within a few seconds that even a human mind could not do. People believe one day this world is going to be an amazing place we cannot even imagine. Once, Elon Musk said, "What's the best thing that we should do to ensure the future is good? We could sit on the sidelines, or we could participate with the right structure and people who care deeply about developing AI in a way that is safe and beneficial to humanity." Yes, as he said this, OpenAI has become a game changer, and it's created so many products to make human life very easy and convenient. OpenAI is a powerful tool, but there are a few disadvantages of using it, like the fact that people tend to depend on AI technology all the time, which will reduce the thinking capacity of humans, and also can be expensive and can be a threat for small businesses. So we have to consider these potential disadvantages before using this technology. The third startup on our list is Asana. Asana Incorporated is an American software company based in San Francisco that created a tool called Asana. This tool helps you manage your work by creating tasks, organizing teams, and tracking processes. It also includes file attachments, reporting tools, goal tracking, and calendars. Asana is also a service platform that makes your work less messy and helps you finish your work within deadlines. It's also a great tool for remote teams to work together and stay on track. This tool is a central workspace that allows team members to create projects, assign those projects to members, and track the progress of each project. And also, this tool includes a calendar view to see future tasks and their deadlines, which may influence users to finish those tasks before the last minute. This company was founded in 2008, officially launched in 2011, 2011 and launched commercially in 2012. Since then, they've been developing this software and providing so many facilities to their users. This Asana tool is used by many companies, associations and large organizations in order to make their work clean and easy. This is a very flexible tool that makes your work go with the flow and increases productivity. Finally, this tool helps us change our work life into a better one. As the fourth one, let's discuss e-commerce startups. First, let's talk about what e-commerce is. E-commerce is the buying and selling of products and services or the transmitting of funds and data over an electronic network, primarily the internet. There was a rapid growth in e-commerce platforms during the pandemic situation. People tend to buy things through these online platforms. There are various e-commerce platforms that provide solutions for different problems. Kazoo, OnBuy, Neiman's, LeafLink, Jungle Scout, Klarna and Lunia are some of the e-commerce startups that have spread throughout the world. Kazoo is an online alternative for buying used cars with a very useful and careful vehicle observation process and home delivery. Neiman's is a direct-to-consumer footwear startup. OnBuy provides safe transactions, a wide range of products, and competitive prices. LeafLink is a wholesale cannabis e-commerce startup. Jungle Scout is an e-commerce platform that helps entrepreneurs leverage Amazon to sell products. Their platform offers customers solutions to manage inventory, conduct product research, find suppliers, and more. The options of paying in installments to their customers is a service that Klarna provides to their online sellers. Lunia makes modern sleepwear and loungewear for a female target audience. However, these e-commerce startups are constantly evolving, and they've made our daily work so unchallenging. Finally, the fifth and final startup on our list is Fiverr. Fiverr is a global virtual marketplace that is made for freelancers. If you're a freelancer, Fiverr is a good platform to sell your skills and services. This platform connects buyers and freelancers. Buyers can purchase the talents provided by freelancers for a reasonable price. Freelancers can offer different kinds of services and website design, social media engagement, management, proofreading, copywriting and resume writing, and the highest paid jobs on Fiverr. In 2010, asking for $5 for each task was the reason for the name Fiverr, but these days freelancers or sellers take much longer to sell their skills. When we're considering the history of this platform, the founders of this company were Mika Kaufman and Shai Wininger. Sellers work from a variety of workplaces, with some of them providing their services from home, while others provide them from offices. If you're looking forward to becoming a freelancer, you can simply create a profile using your mobile device or laptop, enter your services and skills, and set your own prices for your services. Buyers can search for freelancers according to their needs. Fiverr is a very user-friendly and a powerful online platform for freelancers and entrepreneurs. It does not matter whether you're a freelancer or a client, this platform helps you get what you want and reach your goal. This is also another tech startup that is changing the way we live and work. There you have it. These 5 steps are some of the tech startups that show how technology has changed the way we work. These startups have made our work very efficient, convenient and productive, although sometimes they might have a negative impact on our work lives. We have to be intelligent enough to deal with the right tech startups. I hope that this video was informative to you, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I will meet you soon with another interesting video. Until then, like, comment, share, subscribe and stay tuned with our channel.